Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, March 4, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, David. How are you today?
I am okay. I am a little tired.
Why are you tired?
I have a lot of work. The sales department is crazy this week.
I understand. My project is also very busy.
I need a strong coffee. Is the machine working?
Yes, it is working, but it is very slow today.
Oh no, I need caffeine now. I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
You always have meetings. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it. I like talking to people, but sometimes it is stressful.
I prefer my computer. It is quiet.
You are lucky. My computer is full of emails. I have 50 new emails this morning.
That is a lot. You need to organize your inbox.
I know, but I prefer to talk. Speaking of talking, did you see the news on CNN?
Which news? I read the news every morning.
The article about the smart contact lenses. It was on CNN on March 2.
Oh yes, I saw that. They banned the lenses in 5 states, right?
Yes, can you believe it? 5 states say no to the future.
David, those lenses record video. It is a privacy problem?
But it is cool technology. Imagine this. I am in a sales meeting.
Okay.
I wear the lenses. I record the client. I can remember everything they say.
That is exactly the problem. The client does not know you are recording.
But it helps me work. The article says the lenses have a 12-hour battery.
Yes, and it says they upload the video to the cloud immediately.
That is convenient. I don't need to take notes.
It is scary. If I talk to you, I want to be private. I don't want to be on the internet.
You worry too much. Technology is good for business.
Technology is good, but rules are important. The government is right to ban them.
I disagree. I want to buy a pair. They cost $400.
You cannot use them here. The office has rules too.
Fine. I will use my regular glasses. But the future is coming, Alex?
The future is here, but we need to be careful. Speaking of rules, did you read the Wall Street Journal?
No, I only read sports and tech. What happened?
There was an article on March 3. It is about the European Union.
What is the EU doing now?
They are limiting digital nomad visas.
Really? But I want to be a digital nomad one day.
Well, it is going to be difficult. They have a new cap.
What is the number?
They only allow 50,000 visas per country each year.
Only 50,000? That is a small number.
It is necessary. The article explains the problem.
Let me guess. Is it about money?
Yes, housing is too expensive. Locals cannot pay rent.
Ah, I see. Because people from the US go there with high salaries.
Exactly. A remote worker earns $5,000 a month.
And a local person earns $1,500.
Correct. So the rent goes up. The locals are angry.
That makes sense, but it is sad for me.
Why is it sad for you? You work here.
I know, but I dream of working in Spain or Italy. I want to sell products from a beach.
You can still go. You just need to apply early. The list fills up fast.
I need to plan my vacation then. Maybe just 2 weeks, not a whole year.
That is better for the local economy. Tourism is fine. Living there is different.
You are very logical. Alex, you always think about the system.
I am a project manager. I like systems and balance.
I am a sales representative. I like freedom and opportunities.
We are very different.
Yes, but we both like coffee. Is your coffee ready?
Almost. The machine is making a strange noise.
It sounds like a tractor. We need a new machine.
Maybe we can ask the boss for a budget increase.
Good luck with that. The boss is saving money.
True. By the way, are you going to the wedding this weekend?
Yes, my cousin is getting married on Saturday. It is a big party.
That sounds fun. Do you have your suit ready?
Yes, but I am angry about one thing.
What is wrong?
The invitation says no phones allowed.
Oh, I read about this trend in the New York Times.
Yes, the article from March 1. It is becoming popular.
The article says venues are installing signal blockers.
Exactly. They have a machine that stops my phone signal.
I think that is a wonderful idea.
What? No, it is terrible. I want to take photos.
David, a wedding is a social event. You should talk to people.
I can talk and take photos at the same time.
The article says people are more present without phones.
But how can I show my friends on Instagram?
You don't need to show them. You need to enjoy the moment.
But my suit looks very good. I need a selfie.
The couple usually hires a professional photographer.
It is not the same. I want my own pictures. I want to post them now.
You are addicted to your phone.
I am not addicted. I just like sharing.
The New York Times says guests are happier without distractions.
I am not happy. I am bored if I cannot check my messages.
That is sad. You can survive 4 hours without a phone.
4 hours, the party is 6 hours long.
You can do it. I believe in you.
Maybe I will bring a disposable camera, an old camera.
That is a creative solution. Very retro.
See, I am a problem solver. That is why I'm in sales.
And that is why you are funny. Here is your coffee.
Finally, it smells good.
Be careful. It is very hot.
Thanks, so let's review the week.
Okay?
No smart lenses for work. No living in Europe easily. And no phone at the wedding.
It sounds like a week for real life.
What do you mean, real life?
Less technology, more human connection. Less moving, more staying.
You are very philosophical this morning.
I read a lot. It makes me think.
I read a lot too, but I think about how to sell more.
We need both types of people in the office.
True. Hey, do you have the report for the meeting?
Yes, I have it on my tablet. Do you want to see it?
No, not now. I want to enjoy my coffee for 2 minutes.
Okay, we have time. The meeting starts at 9:30.
Perfect. So what are your plans for the weekend?
I am going to relax. I want to read a book.
A paper book or an e-book?
A paper book. No screens for me this weekend.
You really like this disconnect trend.
Yes, my eyes are tired from the computer.
My eyes are fine. I just need my smart lenses.
Stop with the lenses, David. They are banned.
Only in 5 states. I can buy them in another state.
You are impossible.
I am persistent. It is a good quality for sales.
Okay, you win. But please don't record me.
I promise. No recording in the coffee room.
Good, this is a safe space.
The coffee is actually good today. Not bad for a slow machine.
Yes, it tastes fresh. Maybe someone cleaned it.
Maybe. Or maybe it is just the caffeine hitting my brain.
Probably that. Are you ready for the day now?
Almost. I need one more sip.
Take your time. We have 5 minutes.
Thanks, Alex. It is always nice to talk to you in the morning.
You too, David. It wakes me up.
Better than the coffee?
Maybe. Your stories are very energetic.
I try my best. Life is boring without energy.
And life is chaotic without structure.
We are a good team. Energy and structure.
Yes. Now, let's go and sell some products and manage some projects.
Let's do it. Have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. See you at lunch.
Yes, see you at 1-0. I am buying sandwiches.
Perfect. See you later.
Time to get to work? Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.